Tutoring for All by Ivelisse Del Valle. Today we will discuss theoretical foundations, funding, marketing, and evaluations. Our program believes that language acquisition does not require the use of conscious grammatical use. It only requires a meaningful interaction with the language to be learned. Our theoretical foundation is based on the natural order hypothesis research findings, which suggested that the acquisition of grammatical structures follows a natural order which is predictable. Creation claims that learners with high motivation, self-confidence, a good self-image, and a low level of anxiety are better equipped for success in second language acquisition. These methods do not force early production in the second language, but allows the student to produce when they are ready. Policies and regulations. The state of Illinois regulations could affect the process due to requirements they possess. All staff members who interact with children need to be certified, and professionals need to be licensed. The process includes the requirement of police record verifications and health requirements such as vaccines up to date. A regulation that could affect the service would be, since it is a free service, clients may visit as they need or require, but are not obligated to assist for a determined amount of time. This can truly affect us, because many of our fundings may require to have a specific number of participants, and we would have to maintain numbers consistent and in constant growth. Fundings. We would like to become funded by DCFS and/or DHS. These programs currently fund the Preschool for All. This is a program for children who possess a foreign language or are low-income families. Unfortunately, this service ends at the age of 5, one day before having their 6th birthday. We would like to become an extension of this service out of regular school hours for children 6 years old to 12 years old. As a Kickstarter, we would apply at New USA Fundings for materials needed to provide the best service and accommodations to our clients. We would have a church rent us their facilities and rooms to provide the service as we grow. Marketing. We will participate at every outreach activity taken in effect at our community. We will hand out flyers at parking lots and parks near the area. We will participate in community media pages such as Facebook, Twitter, Google, Yelp. Formative and summative assessments. Our center will choose the formative assessment. We have chosen formative as the primary assessment because we will work with the evidence-based curriculum for second language acquisition. In addition, we would like to provide evidence of success to our donors and funders. With a formative evaluation, we will develop an individual binder that provides evidence on academical improvements. We will have every 3 terms reading comprehension evaluations as to conversational levels of Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, and Level 4 for conversational English language. As they reach the Level 4 of language acquisition, we will provide a program of reading and writing to improve the skills. Summative assessment. Our organization finds valuable the importance of the organization, activities, and intended outcomes. We need to stick to our mission and purposes. We must have the ability and honesty to identify what are our capabilities and limitations. We will assess our clients as they walk in for the first time. We will have levels of conversational English language provided by experts. The specialist will develop a goal plan. The plan will determine the time frame for our participants to be reassessed in order to pass to a different level. Our evaluation plan will be qualitative. Our mission is to deliver quality service in a respectful, meaningful environment that enhances and boosts the language of every child. We are based on qualitative evaluation as to service pertain. Our organization will have a specific data collection. We will collect information that can provide us with numbers of how many clients we served through the year, how many stayed enrolled through the year, and how many less, how many foreign speakers we served, and what are the native languages that we provided assistance throughout the year. Thank you for your time. God bless.